We have power. We absolutely do. Here we go. Has it been replaced? Oh, these are all, uh-oh. Look at this, they have it encapsulated for us. That's a great word. Engine does not sound very happy. Monkey Wrench Mike reporting for duty. Yes, I am here at Copart, and that was the dumbest intro I think I've ever done. Didn't make any sense at all. But I am here at Copart. I am on the prowl for some new vehicles. If you haven't seen my newest Wonder Wagon that I think I'm going to call the Professor, go check it out. It's the E320 Mercedes wagon from 2003. I thought it was an 02. It's an 03, which makes it even better, in a beautiful color combination, but that means it's going to be very difficult to find replacement body panels because it's a weird color, silver, Cubanite, silver metallic. So go check out that video, and I'm going to go check out, literally, I just saw a little red Corvette. Well, well, well. In the words of Prince, little red Corvette. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, look at that. From 1995. Power Tour 2025. Here I come. This has just been placed here, I think, because it's not as dusty. See all the dust on all the other cars? This one just got washed. This is a new addition here. And it's an insurance sales. Why? Why? It's red over red. We got a big scratch right here in the fiberglass. You have, oh my gosh, look at that. You actually have, I don't want my phone to overheat. Look at that. The sticker, the window sticker. You actually have, I guess this is your build sheet with all the information on there? No way. Really? Someone was really proud of this if they had that information on there. Whoa. Look at this. Viper's Auto Security System. Red over red with a little protector right here for your carpet. Oh my gosh. Do you think this is going to start? Let's just leave this open because it is 1,000 degrees in there. Look at your antenna here. Now, I'm not a Corvette person. I know it's got an LS engine, but so if you guys can fill in the blanks. 1995. Good year to have on these or no? You've got the top that comes off. Very nice. Ooh! The way you get in these is a lot of fun. We have a GM sticker for the oil change. I don't know if a light is on or not. You got two keys. We have power. We absolutely do. Here we go. Oh. Okay, here's all the warnings. Service, ASR active, ABS active, service, ABS system, brake pressure, park, seat belt, door ajar, 108,000 miles. Really? I don't think the air conditioning works. We'll put it on automatic. It just seems to be really, really warm. This is dirty. So I think it was a smoker that had this, and I don't know what's happening here. Oh, this is just dust. You could vacuum that off. See what I'm doing? Yeah. I love the dash. Oil pressure, oil temperature, temperature of the engine, volt, your RPM, and right here, digital, that you can kind of see. I got, looks like half a tank of gas, or maybe full tank of gas. Looks like a full tank of gas. Look at this. Oh, I know who would like this. Oh my gosh. Getting out of these though, that's just a delight. Here's my hood. Here it is. Yes. I can feel the compressor trying to cycle. Here we go. Here it is. Yes, sir. Look at that. Can you hear it cycling? Yeah. Right here, there's your alternator. trying to look right here. 5.7 liter, something, 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 something. This is nice. There's your cooling fans. This is gorgeous. Let's get back here and take a screen shot. There it is. There's my thumbnail. That is beautiful. Oh, she runs great. She really does. There's so much tread on the tires. Are we cooling off on the inside yet? No. She needs a shot of Freon. Freoni. Whoa. Let's see if I can reach this. We'll take a look at the window sticker. Look at this. They have it encapsulated for us. That's a great word. $39,429. Purchased in Liberty, Missouri. Look at that. Whoa. You paid $305 for your sound system. You have the preferred equipment, air conditioning, Bose music system. That was $1,300. That's, I guess, the only two charges. Oh, 6-way power passenger seat was $305. $396 for your radio. That is amazing. I don't know what this is all about. So someone did take this to car shows. Somebody really did. And the seats are in perfect condition. You do have some, well, you got some rodents somewhere. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of stuff right there. But she just sounds mean. Look at this. Whoa. Love it. Love it. I think I'm going to send this to my friend over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. This would be something he might like to have. I don't know. He bought that Viper. We'll see if he wants a little red Corvette. I'd love to have a little red Corvette. Air conditioning or not. It keeps trying. It keeps trying. See it? Right here? Give me a cycle. There it is. It's just low on fluid. This. Oh, I love it. I've never really been a Corvette kind of guy. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. There it is. Holy moly. Love it, love it, love it. Well, here's something I actually have on my list to look at. You know, it's a Mercedes, I have to. It's red, and I think for once the red paint has held up, or the red clear coat. And look at, they've got the TSW rims. I think it's a good looking car. Kind of a mean looking car with the black rims right there. Damage, we're missing our tow hook cover. There's a crack right here on the bumper. This is a little off, no biggie. Right there. Is there just a ooh, look at that. AMG brakes with drilled rotors. Okay, I'm liking that. I don't see a whole lot of damage though. There's just a little bit of tread. Pirelli's back here. Eagles on the front, it looks like. C300. Okay, other than like right through here, you can get this repainted. There is some more, the paint has come off right there. You have Continentals on this side that are flat, and you have rather a Michelin. So you have all the major tire brands associated with this particular vehicle. I don't know, the red and then the interior is black, I think is nice. I don't know if I could flip this and sell it or keep it. The seat is kind of beat up a little bit. Let's just kind of get in here and see if she's gonna do something for us, and then we'll open all the doors, because this is not a fun place to be right now. It is so hot out here. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something. Oh, here we go. We have a water pump, and it's actually in there. Is it new or is it old? Has it been replaced? Oh, these are all, these are your coils and your spark plugs. Is the engine in little bitty pieces? Let's see if we can get in there and look. I don't know if this is listed as a run and drive or not. Let's open another door. Woo! I'm so worried about the phone overheating and ending or curtailing, another good word, my video shoot today. Where's the release? Here we go. Here it is. Whoa. Are there, hello? Any coils under here? I don't know. Which means we're gonna have to try to do something. No, they're not. They're not. If you can look under here, I don't know if you can or not, but right in through there you can see a spark plug hole. Yeah, that's not good. The buy it now on this is like 900 bucks. Which I was really interested in, but here, let's see if we can kind of take a look. See, it's all missing. There you go. So if we even if we try, she's not going to do anything. Yeah. Ooh. Glad I came down here to check this out. Even though it's a 6 bajillion degree day. And yes, the temperature keeps climbing every time I talk about it. I keep adding zeros to it. So, this is iffy. It must not be a run and drive. This could have serious engine damage. Oh, sugar daddy. Because I know somebody who would really, really, really like this car. Red and black? Heck yeah. But this, I think, would be the riskiest car ever. Why would you remove that and then send it to auction if you weren't trying to hide something? You know? So, with that being said, we're going to close the door on this chapter, watch the auction, see what happens. If it goes for like, you know, $300, I've spent 300 bucks on a car before, and it worked out pretty good. This one, I don't know. Hello, good friend. Yep, ML350 from 2014, I believe. And it's shiny, and it's bright, and it's white, and it looks like it's just been sitting out here getting all the attention and taking it away from things like that right there. This is a beautiful car. Why is she here? Well, as I walk around, I don't know. I really don't know. We have Atlas tires. Okay. Why? Yeah. What's the deal? Why? Go ahead, give it up. Fess up. Fess up. Why are you here? Why are you so pretty? My goodness. This is the larger. This is, oh man, oh man. Can you smell? Can you hear when I smell? Yeah, that's why I blow my nose before I come out here so you don't hear any intake, if you know what I'm talking about. Do you ever do that? Oh, they had a candy bar. Oh, ice cream sandwich. Good choice. Especially on a day like today. 101 degrees outside is what this says. We have a key in the ignition. Please start. We have 170,000 miles. Engine does not sound very happy. It really does not. We're going to turn this on all the way down. Hopefully, max cool. Oh, here we go. Check engine. She's not super happy. And what's coming out of the vents doesn't really smell great. It's got kind of a baby throw-up smell. I don't know what I think about that. There, let's cool off the phone a little bit. Yeah, these, by 2014, was the balance shaft issue still around? I don't know. I'd have to research that. I really would. But the interior of this thing is mint. Let's go ahead and close this. That's going to help a lot. Oh my. Okay. Well, this is all. So your battery is under here, and this is in a weird position, so somebody's been kind of messing around with this. I like this though. 170,000 miles is a lot. Let's just kind of see what happens. Transmission not in park. Risk of vehicle rolling away. Reverse. The engine is not happy at all. Here's your camera, so that does work. We'll put her back in park. The air conditioner is cooling off now. Yeah. Well, let's see what the engine is doing, because stuff in the engine can get fixed. It's just how deep do you want to go to fix it, and how much do you want to remove an engine and fix a balance shaft issue, if that's still a problem in 2014. I don't know. I'm going to research that when I get home, but if you can put a comment in there and let me know. Whoa! She's a moving and a shaking. She is not happy at all. Yeah. 170,000 miles, but look how the computer, whoa. That's like a computer right there, and it's just going. Look at the idler pulley right here. Yeah, this is, goodness gracious me. That's why she's here. That's exactly why she's here. Lost type, minor dents, and scratches. It was just put here just like a day ago. She's new to the yard. She's still getting adjusted and making new friends, like this Tahoe with that on the rear windshield. Are you gonna open? No? You're too tired? Okay, that's fine. Look how, this is nice in here. Vacuum this up, hit it with a steam cleaner, and the whole interior would look new. I mean, look at it. It looks fantastic. Too bad it runs like crapola. Will you close for me? No, she won't. She won't. That's weird. Okay, well, one Mercedes ML350, mystery solved. Yeah, this is, let's just get in here and enjoy the air conditioning. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So while this is going, let me see if I can do this. Yeah, we're gonna cool off the phone and talk at the same time. I am hot and sweaty. This says 97, it keeps going down. It's more like, 8 trillion degrees outside. And it's not even July yet. I love the car. I hate the engine, so I don't think I'm gonna bid on it. Because with the balance shaft issue, the engine literally has to come out, and you take it apart, and then you fix the gear that has worn off all of its teeth. Ooh, which is a big deal. So I wish I could do it. If this goes cheap enough. It was serviced 157. I got 170,000 now. Yeah. Okay. This is a scary one. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Love, love, love the Corvette. The other little red car, too scary, and this one probably too scary as well. But let me know what you think. All right, everybody? Leave a comment below. Please share the video if you like it. And of course, as always, please subscribe. I'm back with another one very, very soon. Okay? Have a great day. Goodbye.